planner that I've created. Now let me show you how to make that planner. Weekly planners. Here's the one that I've created, but let's create a new one. And we want to add some more classes. So let's go for art. And create. Then click this button here and start adding your blocks. So these three little dots, you can expand it, but let's just go here and import from my unit. You see it's got all these things here. It's even got resources that I can add directly. But I could add this LE, and I just choose it, and it will import it. And then I can say, and so you can see the notes. If I want to click on it to see what this is all about, I just open it and everything is there. But otherwise my little note for that day or week is there. If I go to the next week, I can add the same thing. Add a note. But you see that way, it adds a note, but you don't see a lot. Whereas, no, I wanted to add a note. That's it. So if I just click on it, then I get the note. Let's go on, see? And that note can go as long, but if you do it this way, if you add a note by doing it like this, no matter you write masses and masses, let's find something. And add, you only just get this little note. But if I do it here, see, it adds a lot more, but of course if it's really long, then it's going to say just see more, and it'll open it up. So let's just close it, see more, and then you see a lot more. But if I was teaching back in primary, I would use this one, where I just click on the box and it opens. There is a problem with the weekly planner. There's a primary one, see, PR primary, and there's a secondary one. You cannot mix the both together. I tried. So you see, this is my timetable in primary, and this is my timetable in secondary, and they look alike. They're exactly the same week. But you see I've got something written here for primary. Does it appear in the secondary one? No way. And if I'm in secondary, and if I say, oh look, I want to add something for 3-4R, I just want to pull a unit. I go, can I pull a primary unit into the secondary? No. But this is the weekly planner. I should be able to. I could click all. It will not give me, no matter how much I try, but I can write a note about 3-4s. Let's say jelly printing is to be finished today. Paints. And there it is, but I can't get to the unit. I try and import it from here. Nah, no way is it gonna happen. But then if I go to primary and I think, oh, I want to say something, I want to do something about year 11, 12. So, okay, let's pull the unit. A. No, I want all of them. Only K to 6, but I'm K to 12. A? Toddle, please give me K to 12 so I can pull a unit from anywhere. I can only pull up to 6. Let's go back. But in primary, I can write on this and, 11, finish your artist study, blah, 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 blah. And if I go out, there's the note. But I can't import from a unit. I can't import. I can only import primaries in primary. But if you're in primary and only doing primary, then it works a dream. If you're only in secondary and you're doing only secondary, it works a dream. But if you're working K to 12, it don't work.